Hello and welcome to Nova. In this how-to video, we'll explore how to create a session and prepare it for a project. Once you've created your project, added your team members, and defined your deadline and goals for the project, you can start to add sessions. To add a session, you can either click the plus button on this left menu or on the plus menu at the top. Additionally, you can also add sessions through the list view and add it through the session here. From the board view, simply click the plus button, add the session to the board you'd like to use, define a measurable goal for the session, and finally define a start and end date. Once created, it's now active on your board and can be edited further by clicking on the title. Here you'll be able to edit the session goals or instructions that you originally added to the session, should those change from what you originally put in. You'll add the chat link here for your team members to access whatever conferencing or communication software you plan to use. We recommend using software such as Zoom or Slack. And finally, assign team members that you'd like to stay on top of this session, which should be directly involved in contributing to each step. If you plan to add any guests, you'll be able to generate a link here and send it to any guests that you have. And finally, start going through each step of the session. Remember, preparation steps such as this P1, discuss session goals and instructions, should be completed by only one person and done before the rest of the team begins the session. It's recommended one person owns these steps and ensures they're complete to ensure the rest of the steps are productive. An alternative method to adding a session to a project is to go through the tool finder. Using the tool finder lets you quickly find tools that might be most useful to you right now, if you don't already know what tool you need. Once you find the tool you need, simply click on the image, click the plus button in the bottom right corner, and add the session to an existing project that you've already created. From here, the process is exactly the same. Thanks for choosing Nova and welcome to the community.